How to download Instagram Threads. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So Instagram recently introduced, or basically today or yesterday introduced, the new app called Threads. It's basically like Twitter, but for Instagram. They've announced this on their creators account over here. So in order to get it, some people can actually go to their profile and click on the three lines on the top right corner, and it should pop up somewhere here. It is called like Threads, and then you can click on it and it will bring you over to the App Store. Now, if this isn't the case, then you want to just regularly go to the App Store, simply search for Threads at the top, and then you'll get to the Threads app. Now, if this app doesn't show up over here, then unfortunately, you might be in a country or region where this app isn't available yet. Currently, they've only rolled this out, I believe, in the United States and United Kingdom, and maybe somewhere in India, I believe, but not yet in every single European country, which is quite unfortunate. Now, if you can actually get it though, then you want to download it over here and simply open it up. Once it's opened up, you will see this page over here, and at the bottom it says login with Instagram and then your username, and then all the way at the bottom it also says switch accounts, because some people might have multiple accounts on their Instagram. They can switch which Instagram account you would like to log in with. And then right over here you have to set up your profile. So what you can actually do is you can change this yourself, or simply click on import from Instagram, and then this will do it automatically for you, which is actually very nice. And then you can do that. Here you can actually select your privacy. So you can actually select your that you are a public profile or a private profile. So decide on which one you would like to, and then click on next. And then here you can actually select which accounts you would like to follow. So you can, for example, follow every single account you were already following on your Instagram account, if those people have a Threads account as well. But yeah, so choose that and then click on next, and then it will just give you a simple explanation how Threads works, and then you can click on join Threads. And there you go, that's how to download Instagram Threads. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.